In this video I want to show you how to change two boards, replace two boards. So why I do this, because here was leg from this table, and now they remove it. So, and we have here square hole, and I need to change one and two boards. So this is unfinished floor. It's very difficult to put tape to show these edges. In this case I'm just wanna mark by the pencil approximately quarter from each side. Why I'm doing this, because I need to, it's really hard to see where is the edge, it's already sanded, so I guess it's right here. So if I cut exactly close to this edge, I can break this edge, and I have to remove another board. It's not really easy, so I need to do a few times. So in this case I cut quarter from each side and then chisel it. So okay, let's do it. So first of all need to set up. Here is easy to set up this Rockwell. So just put down blade and fix it. Here is 5/8 thickness of material. So now need to find plug. Okay, we can try to cut it. I think easy to put tape because this pencil not very visible. So tape we put just a little bit in outside. So now it's more clear. I can see the border. So now it's better, much better. Okay, go ahead. I connect vacuum. I like this vacuum because it's self-cleaning. 2 filters. Okay, so right here. Wait, now I'm going to cut around these edges first, and we can go cut in small pieces. Just I follow by this triangle, it showed me where the blade is going. So I have some little line, almost quarter. I'm just follow this line. On my previous video I showed how I cut small pieces and after remove this piece. So we can try to remove bigger pieces, how it's easier or not. Not too bad. And look, when I use pull bar, I always push this side. If I cut exactly on the edge, I can break this edge. Now I work very safe. So we have this part, need to cut one more time, maybe one cut only. So now we need to remove this tape. So I need to take these little edges. First of all, need to take veneer from top. Okay, easy. And another side. So where is the edge? Where is the edge? It is right here. Easy, easy, easy. Up. So need to take this edge to don't rush. Так. So now I want to undercut this bottom under the tongue and then remove it much more easy. Okay, go ahead. We remove this side. Now it's left only this side. Okay, let's go. Cleanup glue from Subflora. I use this blade, any blade, or this. It's old without any teasers, just flat. Now it's finished, it's ready for installation. You see all edges is clean and no damages. It takes time to remove it, but it looks nice. Okay? So here's two pieces what I want to use. This is already pre-cut, and another piece I need to cut. By this point so this piece I want to keep this bottom groove, because it's, and this tongue I can install like a regular installation, but this piece I want to cut this left over and cut this bottom of this groove to settle on this tongue, this piece.